When we say Igbo Buofu, many of you don't understand. This is Christ the King City Parish, Ubulu. This is Imo State we are in. This is Imo State, all West Imo State. These people here came all the way from Ubulu. In case if you don't know, I'm in Ubulu town. Ubulu. They came from Ubulu in Delta State. I migrated and settled here. Now, they are Igbo. But only Ubulu have Rose only Igbo, Makanano Delta State. We will talk about it on my comment section. I'm gonna go see new video evidence yakpa to tell you that everybody here in Igbo Buofu. Oyenji go see Yakusen can go see this thing. One of the biggest challenges we face to solve identity crisis is assumption. Yes, this assumption is proudly sponsored by the British colonial government and presently sustained by the Yoruba Hausa Fulani combined government. And funny enough, most people are firing it ignorantly within ourselves, whether it is Igbos in the south and Igbos in the southeast. We are the one firing it, igniting it, setting fire, pouring fuel into it, unknown to us because it is done ignorantly. The word divide and rule is practicable because some of us believe it. The propaganda and the falsehood, the narrative that have been painted over the time has become a problem that most of us believe it. Once you say you're an Igbo man in South, everybody, including some Southeastern Igbos, will say that you that is in South comes from Southeast. They made everybody to believe that for you to be an Igbo man in South, whether it's in Rivers, whether it's in North Central, whether it's in Edo State, whether it's in Delta, your ancestor must have been crossed over from the Southeast region. And that is also because 99% of the time, people believe that Igbo started existing from Nri region. We cannot take away the fact of the existence of Iri and its ancientness, or the Nsoka ledger, or whatever that archaeology have discovered in the southeast. But I can tell you that 50% of the time, is not everything you see in the south started from southeast. There are some people in the southeast that started from the south. Intermigration has taken place over the time, but we don't want to talk about it. And many of us are using it against the people. The problem of identity crisis in the south, let me use some of my Okwane brothers, I'm seeing their comment, is that they have made them believe that Igbos always start from the southeast. So if they say they are Igbos, they must come from southeast. And that also makes them feel like as the southeast Igbos are trying to feel superior, their existence started from them. But I can tell you, it is not always true. It is not always true. There are people in the southeast that started from here. And there are people that started from, that are no Kwani today, that started from southeast. We'll talk about the Okozo people who came all the way from Okozo in Anambra. The video I showed you is about Ubulu people. Ozoubulu started from Ubulu in Delta and moved to Anambra State. But today, the Ozoubulu in Anambra State are accepted their Igbo-ness. But the one in Delta, some of them are still having issue. Some of them are still believing that they are not Igbo. Now, the video I showed you is about Ubulu people in Imo State. In fact, the person that we went to visit accepted that they used to have meeting with Ubuluku and Ubolono in Delta State because they know they are brothers. Let me shock you. This is a masquerade from Ashaka in Delta State.
Ezemango, Ozoubulu one of Ashaka Kingdom, number 1 in Delta State. Hey!
Ubulu masquerade in Imo State. Ndị Ubulu. Bịa. Ubulu. Nke na-eri ezelu. Now tell me the difference between this Ashaka masquerade and that Ubulu of Imo State masquerade. If not that they are the same people. You saw it. Masquerade in Ubulu in Imo State. What is the difference? We have the same, that's why I said it is not similar. We have the same culture, the same tradition, the same name. Ozoubulu in Anambra, Ubulu in Imo State have their roots from the Ubulu in Delta State today. That's why I said intermigration has happened to all of us. We have crisscrossed the river. When someone is not feeling comfortable, yeah, he went over this side and feel comfortable. When somebody is not feeling comfortable, he went to that side and feel comfortable. We have settled, but the divide and rule, the propaganda has kept us aside. And some of us are buying into this lie. Today, there's Ozoubulu in Ebonyi State. The Ozoubulu is my village in Delta. There's Ozoubulu in Ebonyi State today. But the Ozoubulu there is Igbo person because it's in Southeast. But the Ozoubulu here is not Igbo. The day we will discover now that it is even the Ozoubulu here person migrated to that place, that it will shock you. It's not everything when they say that people they are Igbo outside the Southeast means that everybody come from the Southeast. This is a lie cooked up by the colonial era, who want to make sure they divide us and make us not to be one. And it's unfortunate that without research, without traveling, most of us are bought into this lie. No wonder they say that traveling is part of education. I've said it time without number that personally, I've experienced myself traveling to 774 local governments in this country. And I'm talking today, I have visited, directly or indirectly, all the local governments in Nigeria. And that will tell you that I have an experience that I can share. We are living in a country where people don't like people to unite. And that's why they come and gaslight us. You are a unity beggar. We love to be a unity beggar. It's better to be a unity beggar than to be a warmonger. Than to be a divider. Person who causes division, who want people to separate, who don't want brother to come together. Look at this Christmas. Look at how beautiful it is. Coming home. And people are celebrating left and right. This is what we want in our Igbo. But some of us, out of ignorance, believing lies from the falsehood preachers, are causing division. This is why we are saying that we that are here are 98% Igbos. We don't dispute the fact that there are some people who came from other places to join us. But we are 98% Igbos. And we want our Anioma state so that we can join our kids and kings. I'm out of here, John.